Let's talk about Sui. Sui is sitting at $2.14 right now. Sui can sit on something else as well. I mean, she is an independent woman. She can do whatever she wants to. But we are going to talk about the price action here. So we have talked about the overall slow inflation of this project, and I told you that in the beginning of its life, it is going to be way better in comparison to its later on life, because every month almost 80 million tokens of Sui are released for dump, and 80 million at current price of $2 means there is $160 million of selling pressure every month. So every month you have $160 million selling on you, and of course they don't come and dump it on one day, they do it throughout the month, which means that every day there is some asshole investor selling on you, and it's not their fault. You're an investor, they are an investor, so you can't be angry about them. It's just that they were more powerful to buy this before launch at way better prices. So even if Sui is at 50 cents, they will be still way more profitable than you. I haven't done the math, but I would assume they would be sitting at 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x to 50 cents. In contrast to 2x, they would be way more profitable depending on what kind of deals they have got themselves, which is why the market cap of Sui will eventually continue to grow. It will inflate, but that is in the long run. We don't care about the long run story. Let's talk about the short-term bullish case scenario. And for that, let's talk about Sui discussion last time. Last time we discussed Sui on Monday. Today is Thursday. It's been 5 days. Today's Thursday. Yeah, it is Thursday. And at that time we talked about the support area at $2.4, and we said that if it is going to lose 2.4, then the TA support was at 1.7, but I told you that we can rely on $2 as a psychological support area. So this was a case scenario that we were dealing with. Sui was under this red line. This is a downward trend that Sui is seeing right now, and for us to have any hope for Sui to go up, it needs to go and conquer $2.4. After that, we will be aiming for 3.5. So the risk to reward ratio is really nice, but all it needs to do is live above that area, and it shouldn't lose $2.4 area for more than 2 days. If it does, $2 is a support area. That's a psychological support area. And first I'll show you the 2.4, and then we will take it from there. So this is 2.4 on daily, and you can see that none of the candles even bothered going above it. It went and got close to it to touch it, and then it started dumping. We need 2 daily candles closing above 2.4 to start talking about 3.5 journey. If it is not doing that, then our last hope is $2, and we would expect it to continue to hold on to $2. And I wouldn't talk about 1.7 until and unless it closes 2 daily candles below $2. Then I would assume that, okay, Sui has finally lost the area of $2 and it has now started the journey towards 1.7. All in all, it is still doing well. Of course, it has eaten up everything that it had done. All this rally that it had achieved, all of that is kind of retraced almost, which is sad, but it only makes sense because as it continued to go up, there were some investors who had received their tokens. They were just sitting there and chilling, and going at $5 or $4 or $3 was a good exit strategy for them, because $80 million tokens at a $5, that's $400 million. That's a lot of money. So almost $500 million on a project that has a market cap of $6 billion. $500 million sell-off is a living example of going down. But of course, hey, you can blame the market for it. This is what I really love. Tokenomics of the project continues to fuck the project up, but we always use the market as an excuse that, hey, the market is bad. We never say such stuff when it comes to BNB and other coins that continue to hold well and perform well irrespective of the market condition. It still continues to go and hits $600 area, which was the 2021's peak area, and it continues to hit it. Even everything is in shit, it still touched like I think 8 hours ago or so, it touched $600. But hey, let's blame market conditions. Whenever the projects are doing bad, we can blame the market conditions for it. So anyway, as long as it holds $2 as per TA, it can go up towards 2.4. After it achieves 2.4, then we can start talking about the upward journey. If it loses $2 for more than 2 days, two daily candles close below it, then the support is 1.7. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.